Alright, this is amazing. The lettuce actually survived. I mean, some of it has damage, but others, like this, just looks like nothing even happened to it, except the tips are a little burned. I think what happened was I put down a trash bag, this white trash bag. It filled with water and it weighed down the lettuce to touch the ground, especially over here. You can see where it's all matted down. But the ground was warm, so it got matted down, and then that bowl of trash bag collected water and it actually froze. And that kept it, I guess, shielded. But look at this. I mean, that's gonna grow. I'm just amazed that this worked. We had piles of snow out here. I'm not even gonna check these guys. I know they're dead. So this was my red pear tomato. Let's see how it did. Oh my, it's actually alive. It looks better than some other ones in my greenhouse. That might come back. Hasn't had light for a long time. Now I know this cucumber is gonna be dead. I'll check it anyway. Yeah, that one's dead. Who knows? It might come back. But yay for the lettuce. My other lettuce bed didn't do so well. This one, yeah, there might be some centerpieces that might grow back. And there's some cilantro that's doing great. I had this covered with plexi and then all kinds of other cardboard and other mats, and it was filled with snow. Who knows, the center of these, they may come back. And the greenhouse, most of the bigger plants I brought into the house, the actual house, but these I covered with blankets, and you see all the things of water. Amazingly, these lemon seeds are doing well. This is a loquat. I'm not sure if it's going to survive. This chiltepin pepper planted really well. Actually, this tomato, it's got hit a little bit, but it might come back. It did better than my other tomato, which I had against this IBC tote and covered with blankets all around. I got some green tomatoes, might make some pickles, pickled tomatoes out of those. And my elderberry. Yeah, this basil didn't make it. Aloe vera made it. Okay, now my seedlings, the bigger ones I brought in the house, but these actually made it. And the ones that didn't make it were the ones that were out here over the bed of water. See, there's water under here, and water rises and gives heat. Although this was frozen, little icy top to this. Looks like my cucumbers got nipped. I'll replant those. And these, I guess they're too much on the edge. But the ones in the middle, those are fine. Those tomato plants are good. Parsley's good. And like I said, the bigger ones I brought into the house, they're doing fabulous. And we have some of the fish. They survived. There we go. Got some of the fish playing around. That's about it. I hope this mess isn't as bad for everyone. I know a lot of people's pipes are breaking, and keeping everyone in our prayers. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.